Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a fun video. I know sometimes we get kind of serious on here, sometimes we like to have fun. Today's going to be one of the fun days. So I thought it would be cool to do the opposite hand challenge. So I'm going to be putting on all of my makeup with my left hand because I am a right-handed person. So we're going to see how bad this is going to turn out. And yes, I'm already saying it's going to turn out bad because I'm definitely not one of those ambidextrous people, or however you say that word. I'm not one of those people. Like, there's certain things that I can do okay with my left hand, but for the most part, I can't do much of anything. So this is going to be very interesting. So I'm just going to do everything like I normally would in the same order, I guess. I always moisturize, so that's going to be the number one thing that we do. Got to get some moisture on this skin. So it already feels weird. Oh, right in the eye. Yep, this is going to be bad. And you guys can tell my neck is a completely different color than my face because I self-tanned and I don't like to put it on my face. I do put it on my face sometimes, but for the most part, I just like to put it on my neck and stop like right here because I wash my face so much anyways that it's just like pointless. I'm just going to wash it off of my face anyways. So for foundation today, I'm actually going to use my Maybelline one. I don't know. I'm going to just put it on a brush, I guess. This is actually like a brand new shirt, and I don't want to ruin it, so I don't want to drip this on here. I'm just going to put some all over the brush and dot it on my face and my hair because, as I said, I'm not left-handed. This feels wrong. I feel like the foundation I did not prime, but that's probably a good thing because we definitely do not want this to last all day. Is it bad that my left arm is already tired? It's not used to this kind of work. It's like so confused right now. I guess now we're going to conceal. So normally I would put my concealer on my left hand. So today we're going to put it on the right hand. And that is another one of those things that just does not feel right. And if I was using my right hand, I would be using my ring finger. So I have no idea why I picked it up on my middle finger because that's just not normal at all. Okay. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and this is hard. I feel like this is another one of those videos I should have asked my sister to come back. You guys think she would have done it? What video should I get her to do with me next time? Because we got to get her back on here, right? I feel like it's dumb to keep actually trying to make this look good because I automatically know that it's not going to, but the challenge of it makes me want to keep trying. I'm a very competitive person with myself. How are we looking, guys? Bad. So I'm going to set that in place with my trusty Airspun powder. Blend out these creases. You're going to be looking crazy enough without being crazy too. And we're just going to go ahead and blend out the ones on the eyelid as well. Powder, powder, powder. I forgot to do my brows, and I know that I'm going to have to conceal them, and I've already set my concealer in place. What are you doing? Oh my god. This is not okay. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. one, like pretty much always. Oh no. Ultimate concentration as the wild. Oh man. I was trying to do like the Discovery Channel voice. Man. Discovery Channel voice let me down hard. Come on. don't think she can be saved. What the heck? Maybe the other one will be better. Oh yeah. That's thinner. Like, this is not even how you hold an eyebrow pencil, yet I can't hold it the right way. Oh my gosh. So we've got a bushy brow and a sad brow. That is pathetic. Get it together. There's like, I have to try to conceal that. There's no dang way. I'm just gonna have to have some weird looking concealer, because there's no way I can live with that looking like that. No way. No way, no how, no Oh baby. It's all good. It is okay. We're leaving it like that. And now the other one's looking a little crazy, so we're gonna bippity boppity fix that too. I still look bad. But that's okay. Eyeshadow is here to save the day. So I'm going to use my Moodstruck Beloved eyeshadow quad. I absolutely love this thing. It's so pretty. Hopefully this can bring back and make up for the damage done. So I'm going to take the pink shade, which is called Adored, and I'm going to put that all over the whole eyelid. I really need to start working out my left arm. I need to start working out my whole body, but I need to start working out my left arm. This is pathetic. Alright, so now I've got a pink wash of color. I'm going to take the shade Alluring, which is a really dark, not really dark, it's like a deep berry shade though. And I'm going to put that into the crease and the outer corner. Do you guys ever get too much powder on your brush and then you accidentally like flick it, like your hand leaves your eye and it flicks and goes all over the side of your nose? Is that not the worst thing ever? I mean, I guess for somebody who does their face makeup last, it probably wouldn't be so bad because you could just wipe it away. But for all of y'all that's like me and you do face makeup first, that is just a living nightmare. And I see that happening. Like, what is that? The heck? I do my makeup almost every single day. I cannot make this look good. Come on, Nikki. Pull it together. So we're going to leave that, and then I'm not even going to fool with the dark shade. We ain't doing it. I'm just going to take the lightest shade and place it on the lid. And I'm not going to do it in a good way either. It's just going to go on there. Now I'm going to do some black liner because y'all know that's how I roll. I always use black liner. We're just going to go nice and slow. Ooh. From far away, as long as you like stay out of my face and, you know, don't get in my Kool-Aid, it looks good. We're going to try a little bit of liquid liner. You guys know my struggle with liquid liner, so like, how funny would it be if I did a really good job with my left hand? Who sees that happen? I think I kind of need to start making my eyeliner go up a little bit higher. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it's better than it's been being. And I'm starting to run low on my good mascara, so we're not going to use that. We'll just go ahead and use some of this Wet n Wild stuff, because I love most Wet n Wild products, but this is like my least favorite Wet n Wild product I think I've ever tried. So I don't care to waste it. Okay, now we're going to bronze up the face. My Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I got a little brush. And we're going to sculpt this face. It's so funny, like, I don't even know how to hold brushes in my left hand. Like, I do this sometimes with my left hand on my left side, But it's like I've completely forgotten what to do. Conceal the double chin. Now we're gonna highlight. So I've got my holographic highlight that was sent to me in a influencer box. Ooh, sparkle, sparkle. And then I believe the last thing to do is a lip. So we're gonna do a pink one to match the eyes. Well, guys, I feel like I discovered some things about myself today. I'm not ambidextrous, for sure. I mean, I kind of already knew that, but it's guaranteed now. I hope nothing ever happens to my right hand. If I break it or anything, I'm pretty much screwed. And this challenge is actually a lot of fun, and I think you guys should do it too. So I hope to see all of you guys do this challenge, because it really was fun to do. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know that it's actually really late at night, so if I don't seem like I had fun, trust me, I did. If anything, I'm slap happy and just needed to humor myself. But yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, y'all. Bye. Dirty napkin.